Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pair your Xfinity remote to your soundbar. Here is what you can do to get that done. Now you can program your Xfinity voice remote to work with your TV and audio/video receiver. Then you can also pair it with a soundbar and other devices of audio equipment. So step one, how can you pair your voice remote to your Xfinity TV box? Number one, aim the voice remote at your X1 TV box, Sumo Stream box, or Flex Streaming TV box. Now press the microphone button. That's the microphone, which is the voice button. Once you press it, say program remote. Once you say that, follow the on-screen instructions, and as you proceed through the instructions, you may see a picture of your remote. This is what it's going to look like. Now, if that doesn't work, or if you don't have a voice remote, you can also do this. Aim your remote at the TV box. You must have a clear line of sight. Press the A button on your remote. Once you do that, choose Remote Setup on your TV. Now you'll be asked, do you want to use your remote control? Do you want to use your remote to control your TV power and volume? Which is what is here. So you're going to see the yes and not now option. Select yes. Once you select yes, you receive a notification that your remote is now paired for voice control. You'll then be asked, would you like to control your TV using your remote? You're going to see yes, you're going to see not now. Select yes. Now type in the brand of your TV using the on-screen letters and numbers if applicable. Then select OK. You should see a notification that your remote is now ready to pair. Then once you see that notification, select OK. Confirm your pairing was successful by attempting to adjust the volume on your TV. If you can adjust the volume with your remote, select it works. If you can't adjust the volume with your remote, select it doesn't work and repeat the process again. Once your voice remote is paired, follow the on-screen instructions to set up power, volume, and input control for your TV and audio equipment. So how do you program your voice remote to control your TV or audio voice? This is what you do. Press and hold the microphone button and say, program remote. You can also get there by going to the settings page, selecting the remote settings, and then the voice remote pairing. Or you can use our online, that's the Xfinity online remote code lookup tool or the Xfinity My Account app. That's pretty much the process. That's how you can pair your Xfinity remote to your soundbar. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.